The remote control car and trucks have evolved exponentially over the years and have become more durable and faster than ever before. The rock crawler is an extreme version of an RC car or truck that can climb off-road like souped-up full-size vehicles. When choosing the best remote control rock crawler, you want something prepared to tackle tough terrain. Features like rugged suspension, all-wheel drive, and weatherproofing are necessary for these tough trucks. This lets them crawl over rocks, tear through puddles, and race up hills with ease. Of course, you'll want to consider features like range, battery life, and more. You'll find here our top recommendations for the best RC rock crawler. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend 5 best RC rock crawler 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the WOWRC brand. As the first product of the FCX24 series, the car body is the Power Wagon in 1949, which appeared in the form of a mud off-road truck. Unlike the SCX24, we are more cost-effective in terms of the configuration of the whole vehicle. Beautifully painted hard plastic car shell, there are red, yellow, and blue colors to choose from, while providing a personalized story background stickers, or even DIY your personal vehicle. Compact 2-speed transmission has been patented. Design makes it ahead of other models only 1 speed. Using the CH3 shift on the remote control, you can go up to 8 km/h and experience high-speed breakthroughs, small jumps, and even angling for fun. While differential to meet the needs of professional RC players when using high-speed cornering. Most brands will choose bushings as a replacement for all or part of the bearings in order to reduce the price. FCX24 chooses to pre-install the whole car with a total of 24 bearings, which does not need to be disassembled and re-upgraded, saving time and effort, and addresses the concern once for all. The separation of the shell from the chassis is the difficulty of the climbing car. The unique shell quick-release structure. You just need to press and hold the 2 buttons connected and to separate them. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the CROBOLL brand. Your kids will enjoy our 112 remote control car toy definitely for its cool unique design, big size, big anti-slip wheels, 6 big LED lights, easy operation, and 2.4 GHz anti-interference controller with 265 feet wilder range, which is quite attractive for children as a birthday gift. The remote control monster truck for boys are equipped with a lifting device for 2 driving modes, off-road mode with 75 degrees for passing rock, stone, and mud terrain, on-road mode for grass, sand road, etc. 2 modes in one creates completely different fun and driving experiences. Also, supplied powerful 260 motors delivers a speed of 20 km/h and more flexible turning ability. The waterproof Monster Jam trucks for kids come with 2 rechargeable batteries which help prolong the playtime to 60 minutes, 5-minute auto shutoff for saving power, steering angle trim adjusts the direction angle ratio, for shock absorbers keep moving stably, high-quality ABS material ensures a stronger collision resistance, plus with tool-free battery compartment and 4mm thicker wheel shafts, ensures an irrefutable car toy. The large remote control truck infused with the protections of overheating, overcurrent, and auto cutoff, has passed the CPC certificate on chemical and physical tests, ensures kids' safety while driving. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 3 in our top is from the FMS brand. From the period-correct lights and functioning indicators to vents on the vehicle body, the Land Cruiser was designed to static model standards. Even the interior is painstakingly recreated in 1/18 scale. Aluminum rails provide a rigid platform, while a multi-link geometry chassis design allows for maximum axle articulation. Power is delivered from the super high-torque gearbox to ultra-grippy beadlock tires via nylon driveshafts. Climbing angle reaches 42. The 3-channel 2.4G frequency provides a quick responsive control, allow you to race alongside with other vehicles without any interference. With high-torque oversized 0-50 brushed motor and 2-in-120A ESC receiver, our RC trucks offered waterproof come fully assembled, ready to run straight out of the box. It reaches speeds of up to 5 km/h max, can be easily controlled within a range up to 80 meters. With bright LED lights that driving unobstructed even at night. Splash waterproof electronic components make an all-terrain vehicle out of this truck. No worries to run this remote control cars on grassland, sands, and bumpy grounds. Versatility makes the off-road truck adaptable to just about any situation or driving style. It is equipped with 7.4V 380 mAh rechargeable battery and 8.4V USB charger. You can enjoy a 30-minute driving pleasure, depending on the operation. Number 2 in our top is from the LAEGENDARY brand. Using a configuration of wound wire coils, the engine of this RC crawler acts as a 2-pole electromagnet for the high-powered 2-speed transmission, high and low. These RC trucks for adults and kids come with a 7.2V 6S 1800 mAh NAMH rechargeable battery for long-lasting use and legendary fun. Steer with ease. Whether you're cruising on sand, concrete, rocks, or anything in between, this remote control car for adults and kids is built to withstand it. This RC cars for adults and kids come with a remote control that is easy to use, easier to hold, and comes with 2 speed modes for optimum handling at up to 328 feet. This remote control monster truck set comes with 1 rechargeable battery, 1 battery charger, 1 battery connector, and 1 remote control. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The number 1 product is part of the WOWRC brand. With powerful built-in motors, this RC monster truck can climb 45-degree slope, which makes the car run fast on different terrains. We have increased the vehicle size to a 1/12 large scale with a better car styling and a vivid color design that provide a more realistic racing car and better cross-country racing experience. Which is the best car toy for boys, girls, kids aged 3 to 12. This remote car has improved to high-capacity battery with 6V 800 mAh rechargeable battery in order to extend double running time for your kids, which can enjoy the fun of driving. Please contact us service team for an extra battery. WOWRC car toys are all packed with anti-slip tires, give support to unexpected dropping and the unstable surface of the ground. The shock absorbers to prevent damages caused by the vibration effectively better protect the electronic components in the toy that allow you to drive the RC car in all terrains. Here's the perfect gift toys car for your kids on all age. This hobby-grade RC truck is designed for beginners and intermediate-level users who want to move forwards to high-end or just step out of the general RC car. Easy to control and can go all terrains. Put your work on hold, go out with your kids, and enjoy family time. The perfect 4WD RC toy is a must-have gift for the birthday or any festivals. WE focuses strongly on innovation and superior quality. Which remote control rock crawler would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.